What?
Okay, YouTube. I'm gonna invite these people, and there's a seal right here, and I'm gonna spam click it till it explodes.
A seal?
Yeah.
What the fuck's a seal?
Warcraft 3 seal. If you click it a bunch, it'll eventually explode. Die! Yeah! 2 more. This is better than seal clubbing. Oh yeah!
But yeah, dude, like I said, what we'll do is we'll live stream us fucking a bunch of bitches. And then, like, let's say now it's fucking...
Three seals dead. There must be more.
You'll kick the door open. Tristan, you'll kick the door up and grab the sheets and run out.
There is one more. There is one more, guys. Hold on. There's one more seal. It's in water. Oh yeah.
Like, do you literally mean like a seal is an animal, or
like legit seal.
What the fuck are you playing?
Yeah, woo! You'll see in the vid. You'll see. And that's been exploding a seal, Warcraft 3 edition. Eventually, I'll do it in real life.
Oh wow.